Yo, what's up, man? I'm just in buys over here, waiting to see how price reacts to 47.28. Possibility of continuing up back to resistance right here. As long as I think we close above around like 47.30, we should be good. It could possibly grab liquidity down here and then come up. We'll see though. We will see. Waiting for the 30-minute close. We're banking on the 1 hour right over here. Banking on the 1 hour. $15-minute just went bullish. Waiting for New York. Yeah, New York's in about 30 some odd minutes. BRB. There you go. Yep. Cool. As long as we could break the 15-minute previous high, we should be good to come up a little bit. $30 doing its thing. Yeah, 30 minutes doing its thing. If we could flip bullish on the 30-minute and break its own high, we should come up to resistance. Needs to stay above and build some support. Alright, if it can break its high over here, needs to break and close above this candle. With volume, we should continue up for the 4 hour. check the 30. 30 needs 2 minutes till the 30-minute closes. There you go. Yep. That's what I want to see for the next minute. If we could stay above here, should be able to continue. Next candle may drop to grab liquidity since price is staying above this level. Yeah, this is perfect. If we could close like this, there we are. New candle, just yeah, this is perfect. Need this candle to shoot down and then come up and break this high. Then we should be golden. Gotta see what this 30-minute does. Should be good to continue once we break this previous candle high. Yo, 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 what's good, Fahad? What's good, what's good? I'll be right back. Alright, still waiting over here. See what this 15-minute does. New York session open is in about 20 minutes, so like 25 minutes, so this should give us enough volume to continue from here. It might come down to grab liquidity and then come up. Possibly. Or it might blow straight to our fucking stop loss, who knows. It's just how I see price action right now. Price action, 1 hour looks good to continue up if it breaks the high. Yeah. Yep. But what I kind of wanted to do is I wanted to come grab liquidity and then come up. But it already did right here, so I don't know if it even needs to. It might already have enough juice to continue. I'll tell you when to close. Because we're entering in New York session in about 22 minutes. So if we could wait 22 minutes, we might be able to break the highs and continue after that. How much percentage do you need until you pass your funded? Oh, okay. How much more percentage do you need until you pass step 1? Now I got propaganda, so I'm relaxed. Okay, cool. $3% left. Okay, not bad. What was the target? 8% or 10%? If we could start breaking highs, I'm not closing until I see the next 30-minute candle. So do not close yet. I want to see what the next 30-minute candle could do with New York Open. Yeah. Yep. It does. We can at least get to here, I think. As long as we stay above. Like, yeah, we might come down to grab liquidity down here, but we should continue up long term. We'll have to see. The one thing I do not want is in the next 4 minutes, this candle goes bearish. When are you looking to secure? I'm looking to secure when I see what New York Open candle does. So in 18 minutes, okay? Do not close until we see what volume does for New York Open, because we might possibly break out. The price action is showing like breakout potential, and then with volume during New York Open, we could possibly continue. We just do not want this 15-minute to turn bearish here in the next 3 minutes. Because since there's a selling pressure, this could be its lower high right here. But I'm banking on the 30-minute right here. Two more minutes till close. want to see what New York Open can do for us. Because this may possibly be where we continue from. How much percentage are you up right now with the 70 pip and 20 pip trade? Don't take any partials. Do not take any partials yet. Hold on. Give it some time. Don't take any partials. We need to see what New York Open does. New York Open is about to happen in about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes just closed above. Feels so good to trade alongside you, brother. Don't stop streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be as consistent as possible. I wanna build a huge community, a really big community. So I don't think I'll be stopping anytime soon. Don't worry. Yeah, I hope that this community is gonna be huge. You know, us talking about fundamentals and why we even hop into the trades and why big moves even happen is really what sets us apart. It's probably the only thing that sets us apart, because everyone else is just focused on candlestick patterns. So that's the only thing that really sets us apart. And as long as we provide free content for a good while, build a community, and then we can move on to the business side of things, I think that we should be golden. We need to wait to see what this 15-minute does. Do not close. We're about to hit New York Open. Should blow past all this right here. How much percent is your trade right now? Like, how much percent do you have? $25K account. No, yeah, I know. I'm saying for these two trades that we took, how much are you up? Okay, do not close until we get this 15-minute candle. Wait, just wait. Need to see what the next candle does. This is nice. We're looking good. 25 combined. Okay. I gotta see what this 15-minute does. This is like the deciding factor whether we head up or down. I'm banking on us staying above this level right here. Need to see how we do on this candle right here. I think if we could close above this level right here, could potentially be the trade that I was looking for when I first entered. The website on Magic Keys tells you how to connect it to C-Trader. Bro, I added a new channel in the Discord where it gives you all the most important news outlets. Look at that. So we never lose them. What are you going to school for? All right, 7 more minutes till the next candle. Let's see. See what we could do. We have almost the same amount of risk. Studying computer science, will come to USA for masters, hopefully. Oh, wow. Nice. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, bro. One of the places that everyone visits. So, you know, one day we might see each other, man. Hopefully, I'm able to build this brand and, you know, start having meetups and stuff like that. It's a goal of mine. I want to build this brand to be very large one day, but it's going to take time. I'm starting from zero because I used to stream. Look, I used to stream a lot. Look at this. I used to stream a whole bunch, but you know, I wasn't really like, see, I used to stream a bunch. That was years ago. It's like let me see. It's like 4 years ago. Where is it? What the fuck, where's the date? Oh, yeah, 2021. Yeah, man. 5 more minutes till this kind of closes. I used to stream 4 years ago, but I wasn't really providing correct education. And I wasn't providing the best insights on trading. I was still on my like learning phase. Oh, what? You did? Dang, dude, that was so long ago. What the fuck? You remember me? Yeah, dude, I used to trade alongside Nick. When Nick was first learning, when Nick Stewart was first learning, I was there during his whole journey. Uh, I was there with DA Forex. I seen his rise and fall. I seen Jay Sniper's rise and fall. You know what I mean? Dude, Nick, I used to trade with him every single day, and look how great he became. But the thing about Nick was that he always did the same thing no matter what. No matter what trades we took, no matter anything, he always did the same shit every day to perfect his craft. And then he started live streaming, and then he started making content. Dude, Nick, I'm so proud of that guy. I talk about him to my friends, my family, like everyone. Super proud of that guy. You know, maybe one day, if I'm consistent enough, me and him can collab. One day. Don't close yet. Do not close yet. We're waiting on we're waiting on New York Open in about 3 minutes. 3 more minutes. Let's see what the next candle does for us. Three more minutes. Two more minutes. Let's watch the countdown together. Hopefully you can be a part of the journey too. Yeah, hopefully, man. Hopefully. Hopefully. Like I said, like, I'm restarting my brand from zero. Cause I had a small brand going for myself. but it started declining as I became inconsistent with my trading and my strategy. I would always change strategies. I'll put so many fucking indicators. Like I did so much shit that is just too confusing for the viewer, because like I said, I was still learning and I just wasn't providing the right type of value that I should have been providing. This time around is completely different. I have my own system. I'm teaching I got into fundamentals, like macroeconomics and geopolitical news, rather than just candlestick patterns and indicators, like what everyone was doing at the time. You know how many prop firm challenges I failed? Like everything, bro. Like this time around it's so different. Just need to perfect my craft. Need to see how this strategy is. Need to see if the strategy is consistent as well. Because the strategy has been doing good so far. We're at a 7.78 win rate. You know, that's super good. Super good. Okay, New York Open. Let's see. The volume of New York Open just came in. Let's see how the 1 hour closed. Yeah, money. And it's New York Open, money. This is money. Just wait. This could even close small bullish or small bearish and then continue up. Okay? Just wait. We might have to form support above here. 46.59. Okay, yeah. That's around the same area as me. 47.59. Yeah, it's around the same area as me. Let's just make sure this candle doesn't fuck us, okay? It's the last thing we want during New York Open. This is perfect though. Like, it is perfect. We may drop down over here to create support with the next two candles, but then we should come up from there. I would even go as far as to say I might enter in another position. I mean, I'm running with low lots. I'm running at 0.15 lots. You know what I mean? But I think that we should just, we're already in two positions. We'll keep risk minimum. We're at very, very, very good, super good fucking prices. You know what I mean? On top of that, it's about to be, we just got to see how this candle closes. And then we should be money, bro. Should be money. It is New York. What I want is to at least stay above this candle. We could drop, build some wicks, but this 30-minute needs to close above this candle. If you can close above this candle, we're money. Right here. This is my area. How long have I been profitable, and what's the win percentage with the strategy? The win percentage with my strategy is 7.78 right now. 7.78. So around a 4 to 8% chance that I get 5 consecutive losses in a row. That's it. And for a good while now. For a good while. Yeah, so I'm not even at 10% chance that I'll get 5 consecutive losses in a row. Let me see the chance of me losing 2 trades in a row. I have a 53% chance, and then when it comes down, I have a 2 trades in a row, 95.8% chance that I lose 2 trades in a row. 3 trades in a row is 53% chance, and then when it gets to 4 trades in a row, it's a 16.8 chance that I'll get 4 losses in a row, and then a 4.4% chance of 5. So the strategy's at 77.8. I mean 7.78. Wait, 77.78. And my strategy is super simple. Super simple. Literally, this is all it is. Focus on macroeconomics, geopolitical news, risk management, then price action, and then it goes into 1 to 2 trade ideas per day. And usually I don't even get onto the second trade. I usually just take 1 winning trade and I get off, or 1 losing trade and I get off. And then it's 1 to 2 pairs, and usually I don't even do 2 pairs. I just do 1. What else does this strategy include? Yeah, I think that's about it. I focus on macroeconomics, geopolitical news, risk management, price action, 1 to 2 trade ideas per day, and 1 to 2 pairs. And as long as I don't veer away from that, should be good. If the 15-minute can stay bullish, oh, we are golden, bro. We are so golden. It's not really giving me the volume I wanted for New York Open at all. What do you think, bro? I'll let you make the trade decision today. Think we should stay in or get out? What you think? One trade is running at 1,100. I mean, not 1,000. 100 pips, 110 pips, or 116 pips. The other one's running at 70 pips. What do you think? Yeah, thinking the same shit. Look at you. We think alike. Is this the push? Is this the push? Or is it waiting for the 15-minute candle to close? Does the 15-minute need to close? Let's see. Might face some deeper liquidity grab, but doesn't scare me. Yes, sir. Are you kind of getting the hang of the strategy? I don't think there's anyone that trades like me. Everyone kind of waits for the breakout and would take the trade right here. Like, I like Raja's strategy, but Raja's strategy to me calls for tighter stop losses, and also you miss a lot of the move. Like, you miss so, like, if I took it right here, I would have missed all of this. I wouldn't even be confident. And on top of that, this candle going up and down, up and down, up and down would just scare the shit out of me. I don't know. I don't know how much I like Raja's strategy. Like, it's a winning strategy, but it's his own strategy. But are you kind of understanding my strategy of why I wait for liquidity grabs and then a continuation? As long as we manage trades, it's fine. Yep. That's right. That's the mentality I love. Somewhat, bro, but I'll get to know it better by joining streams every day. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I think because everyone trades Raja's strategy and it's so unorthodox, like when people join my streams and they see I'm like, what, 30, 40 pips in drawdown, and they're not like understanding that I'm waiting for the candle to flip, they just never join back because they think I'm losing. Or, like, I mean, yeah, I can lose, but like, you know what I mean, right? Oh, let's see what the next 15-minute does. I think it's going to continue. This is looking good. I like this a lot. I think it's going to continue in the next, with the next 15-minute candle. If we can stay bullish. Ooh, I think the next 15 minutes is gonna blow. It should, dude. Next 15-minute candle should give us all the information we need. Two more minutes. All right, 15 minute. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think as long as we stay above this candle, should be good. Okay, is it gonna break its high? Is it gonna break the previous high? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, it's breaking the high. You know what? It's not really giving me the volume I want. I think that I'm gonna take it. Let me see, 1 hour. Fuck! It's such a hard tell. 1 hour looks so good. 4 hour wick fell. But it's just not giving me the volume I want. It's not strong. It's not strong enough for me at all. I think I'm gonna take it. Let me see the 30 minute. But the 30 minutes just holding up so good over here. And we're at New York Open. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it. Let me see, 15 minute. Fuck! I don't know. Yeah. Fuck. What should I do? $47.52. Yeah, that is a potential target for sure. I gotta stay above this level. Just got to. It's gonna grab liquidity. But if it closes in the next 10 minutes below here, I'm taking it. I'll be right back. Bruh. Alright. Well, we're in it now. We're in for a fucking treat now. Let's see what price does. See the 30-minute. Yeah. I knew it because, I mean, for a breakout trade, you need, like, a catalyst, bro. This better be a fucking liquidity grab. Or else we just took a losing trade. Look, how about this? Here's the plan. If this 30-minute in the next 6 minutes closes below here, we'll get out. Manage our risk. Or even better, if the 1 hour closes below this, then I'm getting out. So in about 30 minutes, we'll see. The reason why I think it's ranging is because we're still waiting on an answer from Iran if they accept the deal or not. Which I don't think that they are going to accept it. That's why we're so bullish. The deal is kind of retarded. I don't think they would accept that and open up the Strait of Hormuz. You're still in this, right, Fahad? Alright, cool. But we need how if the 1 hour closes because it also tapped resistance. Yeah, it did. But even though it tapped resistance, we're still in a bullish market right now because we're at support. Price is creating we bounced from this support. Price is creating a support right here. If it closes below this, then yeah. Read my previous text. Oh, the 1 hour created a bottom wick, and now high chances we move bullish because the higher time frames are bullish. Yes, exactly. Oh, this is gonna be a big move. That was a deep liquidity grab. This is gonna be a really big move. Super big move. That was huge. Such a big liquidity grab. It's gonna be a really big move over here. Yep. It's gonna be really big. That was deep. I wouldn't be too worried about this resistance. Because like I said, we have geopolitical news in our favor. And we're in... See, these three candles are telling us right now, currently, right now, it's a buyer's market. So, if we stay above this level, close above on the 1 hour, we're good to go. We are good to fly all the way up over here to our fucking TP. And it's New York session with the geopolitical news. The lower time frames making higher highs, higher lows, nothing to worry about. Yep. Yep. Perfect. I guess we're just gonna have to wait for NYSE open in about 30 minutes. That's when the real move's gonna come out, I think. That's when this thing is probably gonna fucking skyrocket. Because NYSE open, they're gonna realize that Iran deal is going to fucking fail. And they're not going to agree. And gold is probably gonna go all the way up to 5,000. Probably not this week. Maybe next week. But if it goes up to 5,000 from here, fuck. Would you secure partials at 47.52? 47.50. Nah. Bro, I'm holding all the way up until... where are we at? I'm holding all the way here. It's geopolitical news, bro. Thing that we talk about every single day on stream. Trump made a peace deal with Iran. Iran's going to disagree, as they fucking should, because Trump is asking for something really unrealistic and offering something unrealistic. It's going to fall through. Price is going to skyrocket. Especially during NYSE, bro. And this 15-minute candle doing this shit right now, it's telling us everything we need to know about what's about to happen during NYSE. Sellers try to push the market down. but buys are just too strong in the market right now. It's gonna be a really huge move. Waiting on the next 30-minute candle. This trade took longer than expected. Just a waiting game. Yep. Because when 6 o'clock hits, this thing should fucking blow. But because it's 5:30 and in 22 minutes NYSE opens, I think it might just explode right now. So, bro, we're basically banking on that Iran deal fucking falling through. A lot of buys in the market right now. And then 6 o'clock's gonna hit. It's gonna be easy money. $15 gonna close in 2.5 minutes. Two more minutes for the 15-minute to close. Any news? Any updates on? Nope. See, he proposes tough terms, which means, bro, it's going to fall through. It's going to fall through. Gold's going to fucking skyrocket because of that. $45 for the 15-minute to close. $15 more minutes for the next 15-minute combo. Alright, this 15 minute will tell us everything we need to know. Let's see how it reacts to 47.45. Yes, I do. Working with people with autism. Nine more minutes. Nine more minutes. 7 more minutes. You have stops at break even? I mean, I guess that's cool. I don't think we're gonna touch it anytime soon anyways. Why am I on the 1 minute? Man, look at the fucking entry, bro. The entry's right here if you can't see it. Six more minutes. Next 4 minutes should be the one for us, man. Four more minutes. Ah, 6:30. Yeah. 32 minutes. I do not want to wait. Cause fuck. What's my name? AJ, bro. AJ. Go by AJ. AJ. Let's look at how the hourly is doing. Okay, hourly is still solid. Still solid. Very solid. Look how price reacted to 47.45. "36 seconds. A lot of volume pouring in right now. Ahead of 6 o'clock, 21 seconds. Okay, since price is like jumping right now, I would say that 6 o'clock may go crazy for us. Okay, quick pull down. Okay, nice pull down. Nice wick down. Very good wick down. Watch this level right here on the 1 hour. Very good. Very good pull down for a huge wick up. I'm still keeping my stop loss the same, bro. Because look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop loss, and I'm gonna head off. We'll see what happens in the next 30 minutes when NYSE opens. Unless we wake up from right here, then if not, I'm gonna just head off. Remove all this noise. Get these out my way because this price literally fucking just collapsed all that shit. Now, how does price react to this? It's lower high. mean, it's low. It's higher low. Okay. Yeah, I'll text you later, my boy.